na tatanong ko sana to sa kanya kanina. Yung song ni Boji, yung Mabuti Pa.
Meron akong kakantaing Boji.
Boji Dancing.
Yung Sana Dalawang Puso Ko. Kasi may part doon na tribute sa asawa namin. So, since asawa niya si Boji, tapos siya naman kakantayin niya yung Pangako. Nakanta naman ni Mrs. Parang baliktaran kami ng asawa.
Pero may confirmed guest na ba sa Q&A cons?
Yung Apo.
Pero
Ilang taong ka na anak?
19 po.
Grabe!
Pero nag-start.
Teka, anak, sorry. Ano yun?
Sige po.
Ano yung question mo?
Wala po, yung about lang if magkakaroon kayo kay Rob Daniel dahil naging successful din.
Ng concert?
Yes.
Pinag-usapan namin.
Pero dito sa Q&A pupunta ba siya?
Hindi. Meron silang concert, silang apat yata.
Okay.
Nakasabay.
Yeah, sorry.
Kaya nag-start ang love affair mo with Beatles. Ano yung mga first song na...
Ilang taon na?
Bata pa. Nung una kong nag-gitara. Kasi pagka, di ba, pag nag-jingle extra,
Andun na ako nun.
di ba, yung mga jingle, lahat Beatles eh. Di ba? Meron din.
Andun
Yung
lahat.
Here Comes the Sun, yung mga ganyan. Yan ang unang-unang mong titipain. So, that alone, how old was I? 11, 10 years old. Basta nagigitara ka, hindi pwedeng nagpa-piano, hindi pwedeng hindi mo ma-encounter ang Beatles.
Ano yung song
Yung unang mong tinugtog.
Yun nga, Here Comes the Sun. C lang yun eh. Here comes the sun, do-do-do-do-do. Here comes the sun, and I say, it's alright, tarara. Yun lang, hindi ko magawa. Tararara.
Baliktad din.
Hindi. Kaliwete siya. Hindi.
Okay pa may finger yun.
Kala ka! Tapos nagbe-bass siya, di ba? So, minsan nagbe-bass din ako. Galing.
You were saying naiyak ka.
Yeah.
Some part.
Papasok pa lang ako. But Hey Jude, I think, did it for me. And Blackbird. Kayo mo siya.
Galing.
Basta hindi ko ma-explain in words eh. I'm sure I'll naiintindihan mo yung sinasabi ko. Just to see him on stage.
Siya lang nagpayak.
No. Coldplay? Not really. Medyo pang bagets ng konti.
Elton John.
Hindi pa.
Saan yung venue nung kay Paul?
Sa Vegas,
Siya.
ito sa football field eh. Kalimutan ko na yung ang laki. Punong-puno. Hindi nga ako nakabili ng merch. Kasi haba ng pila. Pag pumila ako, hindi ko makikita yung opening. So, wala yun.
Pero meron kang collection sa Beatles,
Yeah.
recordings.
I have most of the records. Libro. Yung libro ngayon na binabasa ko, it's the book called Lyrics by Paul McCartney. So, kinukwento niya doon yung stories behind the songs. Na parang na-inspired, parang gusto ko rin gawin. Parang gusto ko rin gawin. At saka siya, no holds barred. Dami niyang sinabi doon na, yun pala. Kaya na yung kinuwento ko kanina, yun, doon ko nabasa yun. About Julian Lennon.
Siyempre, hindi pa.
About,
May pagkakapareha din ang love life ni Paul at Spike.
Linda na ba?
Gen Z song para sa kanila ganyan. Na yung bagay sa kanila.
oh man. They're si Ezri I think she's the songwriter in the group, and I wouldn't dare try to. If she likes, why not? But I think they look great. they're such good kids. And they have the genes,
The DNA.
the DNA, you know, they have the genes from their parents to their aunt, to their uncle. We're all very proud of them kasi meron kami isang big chat group ng buong family. Yan yung pag Sunday, magbibingo kami. Yan, lamihan na yan. And syempre, everybody's excited now that they released their song. So we're all very excited for them.
Tapos ano naman sa concert naman, what is it about Odette Quesada's songwriting that that grabs you and influences you as a songwriter then as well?
Si Odette writes in English mostly. No? Bihira siya magsulat ng Tagalog. Which is baliktad, ako naman laging Tagalog. So I guess yun yung pagkakaiba namin. What grabs me about her songwriting is her ability to say so little and then you're instantly hooked. Diba?
Yeah.
We used to be young, I can't remember when our hearts were very young. Something. We used to be frightened and scared to try. Here's to the old times and the best of new ones. Here's to a song of plea. That's it. Nung time namin, hindi kami ganun She was ahead of her time. Hindi kami ganun mag-isip eh. I never dreamed. Cause I always thought streaming was for kids. Just a childish thing.
Mga sikreto.
Parang sinabi lang niya,
Mga
di ba?
sikreto. Parang nagkukwento lang siya.
You just gotta give me a She's...
Ang galing.
I'm a fan.
Pero may mga pupunta na ba na nag-confirm na pupunta sa Q&A concert? Like Showtime Family or anything?
Si Ami lang yata. Kasi kaya kababata namin. I don't know, I haven't asked him.
But, Sir Ogie, do you have plans to have a concert or album with the Gen Zs? Parang Ogie sings with the Gen Zs.
I don't wanna pangunahan. But Boss Vic and Viva will release one soon. I met with them last week. Sila na lang magkwento. I'm excited about that actually. Yeah, they're gonna release something.
Kasi parang hit kayo pag yung mga collaboration niyo with the Gen Zs, ang lalakas eh.
Yeah. Malapit na yun.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yung sa mga Gen Z singer-songwriters, since ang dami na sino kanino ko songwriter na admire?
Wow. You know what I like about all of them? They all have distinct styles. You know, Maki, Rob, Arthur, Adi. I like Janine.
Tenyos. Yeah.
Both Janines.
Berdine.
Janine Teñoso and Janine Berdine. I love Cup of Joe. I also like Four of Spades. Of course, Moira. TJ. So, I can't single out one kasi iba-iba sila eh.
Which is really good kasi all of them are
May variety.
I'm in awe of the music they produce, the zest they have. It's their world. Ito lang yung gusto nilang gawin. The Juans. You know? So different from our time. Our time kasi konti lang yung singer-songwriters. Everything else was
Singer.
either written for us or singer-songwriters na bibila mo sa daliri. Ngayon, naglipa na. And it's a great thing.
Siguro po last for me is with all of the success that you have, are you like ready to take a step back and to take on a more mentorship?
Oh, I've been doing that already. I also teach. I go around campuses and share songwriting lessons. I do that, yeah.
Final follow-up na lang po. What is one thing that you don't want songwriters to do when they're writing songs?
When
When they're writing their songs, ano yung parang wag nilang gawin?
Mangopia.
yeah, that's one, mangopya. Pero siguro wag nilang sila matakot. Pangatlo, pag ang ego mo maging balakid sa pagsusulat mo, magiging problema yan. So, unfortunately, everybody goes through that. When you've had a little bit of success, I'm the. But you know what? What I've learned is that
Ba't hindi
it's not. It's not gonna be. Hindi ko alam. It's not gonna be forever your time. You know? You'll have another chance, maybe a second win or a third win, but so cherish each moment.
Sir Ogie, your face is back and it trended.
Yeah.
Pinag-usapan yung mga performances. How does it feel to be back as judge and yung mga bagong set of celebrity performers?
So much fun. I think it's the most fun show I've ever done. Ito yung isang show na pag taping, excited ako. Like I'm gonna tape today
Yes.
from here. So excited each time because I'm working with good friends of mine, Jong and Bong, and of course with Gary and Sharon. Parang kami nag-party, you know? It's the best.
At saka, ang mga komento ay parang ang gagaling ng mga kasali ngayon, ang hirap mamili, ang hirap irang.
Totoo yan.
So far, ano yung parang nahirapan kayo na mag-judge? Anong episode? So, since hindi pa umi-air.
Alam mo, mahirap kasi sa pag-judge. Kanya-kanya sila ng galing. Kaya lang, you have to rank them. Hindi pwede mag-tie. Hindi pwedeng, ang hirap ng gano'n. Like for example, I really, really loved one particular performance. And kaya lang, I had to... Basta ang hirap.
Pero hindi ba mahirap na yung inandun sa kasali kaibigan ninyo,
Of
nakatrabaho
course.
ninyo, like
Of
Rufa
course.
May,
Jason.
yes, Jamiel.
Oo. Although si Rufa May, nakadalawang 0 na siya sa akin. Pero I love you, sweetheart. Walang kaibigan.
Trabaho.